Hi, welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv. Guys, this is just a quick one. Just a quick review of a Bissell spot clean machine. As a professional carpet cleaner, guys, I would aid every household to have one of these in their house, just for those spills that just happen, and you can get up these stains just immediately. That's the best way of tackling stains, guys. So I'm just going to give you a quick review. Here we have, as you can see, chili sauce there, guys, Vimto stain there, orange juice there, and a tropical juice there, guys. I just want to show you how quick and easy and how this machine actually works. Here we have the spot clean machine, guys. First of all, you're going to need to fill a solution tank with some chemical. So that you're going to need to mix down with some water. And to fill up the solution. I should be doing this over the sink, but it's a little bit awkward, so I'm making the best of the situation that I have, guys. So there we go. Put some solution in the tank. Now this is the one, guys. This is for agitating the stain and spraying on the chemical and sucking up what we can get out of the stain. So first of all, we check to see if we can use a towel and get out as much stain as we can what may be in the carpet. So as you can see, the stains are still there. So we have chili sauce, Vimto, Tropicana, and a tropical juice there, guys. And we're going to do our best to see what we can do in getting these stains out of the carpet. So let's give it a shot, guys. Let's start with this one over here.
I'm going to do, I'm going to simulate an accident in your home where you have maybe some wine and spilled on your car. Now, if you have one of these machines, you can act on it straight away, guys. Give me a moment and I'll be right back.
So guys, let's simulate spillage at home. You've just got a bottle of wine out, just spilled it on the carpet. There you go. Now, you may be able to use a towel, and you have to remember, depending on the carpet colour, that a red wine stain may not come out just by toweling. So we've got another wine. So we're just simulating a red wine spillage just happening. Let's put a bit more. Now this is just happening, guys. Okay. We've got one wine there, we've got another wine there. This is sparkling ginger wine. I don't know what colour this is. Okay, guys. So we're just going to simulate. This just happened at home, just now. Now, if you have one of these spot cleaners, you can make a difference. So you doesn't have to actually pour on the carpet cleaner. You may still pour out a carpet cleaner just to get it completely to relax your mind. But if you have a spot cleaner, guys, this is what you're able to do. Let's see.
Start with that one first, guys.
Professional carpet cleaner, I would normally use a chemical on these stains to remove it, finally remove all of the stain, guys. So let me just get some of that chemical and show you. So guys, we would have have a wine stain remover, and what we would do, we just treat the area with a wine stain remover, and this just effectively will get up the rest of the mark. Okay? So let's see. So guys, as you see, by having some of the right chemicals on board, guys, you're able to remove all of the stain. This is what carpet cleaners can do, but don't get me wrong, guys, that having a Bissell in your home is one of the greatest purchases you can make, because it's going to save lots of money. It's going to take out of my pocketbook, guys. It's not about me, it's about keeping your furnishings in good condition. So you see, let me just quickly go over that, guys, and then tell me what you think about the results. Guys, so always, if you can, have a spot machine in your home. It's just a little thing, guys. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can purchase one of these. When using these as well, guys, rather than use cold water, I would suggest always put in warm water. Hot to your fingertips, you know. And put that in there, guys, and you should be able to get up most stains if they just happen. This is the reason for having one of them. If you can just get to that stain as it happens, you're 95% chance of getting out that stain there and then. And that's a short video for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to share, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for your time, guys.